tonight we're making some banana fritters out of this recipe book from Julius the Chef Jackson. He's from Virgin Islands. You should check it out. The Lani say that you can find it on Amazon. How much it costs? Just a little $22 if that's the correct price on the back. It's a cooking, regional and ethnic Caribbean and West Indian cookbook called My Modern Caribbean Kitchen. I will find the link and put it in the bottom. I was bored, flipping through the book, and I said, wow, I want some banana fritters. So I decided to make fritters. And a lot of people that hear me say I'm going to make fritters don't really know what fritters is, so I'm not filming. First, you have to buy bananas and let them get like really ripe. So I never actually make fritters before. I just eat them and watch people do it. So bear with me. I have all my ingredients here. It's just sugar, flour, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, and baking powder, and an egg, and some water, and your bananas, of course. So first, I have to mash my bananas because you need 3 cups of mashed bananas. I don't even know how much that actually make 3 cups. I had kind of googled it and it had kind of say like 3 bananas would be enough. So I'm gonna start with 3 and then put it in the measuring cup and see what it look like. Oh, you should see Delani trying to put the camera, and it's so funny because she walking back and forth and I want to do this. You dropped my stuff! See why they got food. Yeah, bye. So we're gonna mash all bananas. What's that? Potato mash. Hold on. I guess what my friend them here, they're from the islands and they're going to try it for the first time. So I hope they like it. Wow. I need some kind of bananas. Is it on top? She eat 1 or 2. Well, this is only 2 cups, but we need to start making what, man. Maybe I'm using a round measuring cup anyway, anyways, right? So we're gonna start with the sugar. We needed a 4th cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, this is actually a teaspoon of baking powder, but I had already poured the extract in the teaspoon cup of tea. And then you gotta add the flour, which is just a cup. And just mix this up a little bit. This is what it looks like. Just wow, I'm gonna pour it out the bowl. Just like flour. It smells just like flour too. Then it say to add the mashed banana. Every piece of banana counts, guys. It might be enough, man. An egg, which I have right here. extract with a half cup of water. And then it's to beat it until it's smooth. I gotta whisk and probably, I don't know. It's to beat it, not whisk it, so I guess I gotta mix it, right? I don't know. But it's to do it until it's smooth and nice all over. Alright, so this is as smooth as it's gonna be since you get banana pieces in it. But you see, it gotta be thick. This is what it look like. So you can use 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet, and you can heat it up, and then you can just start adding scoops of butter. So we're gonna do the first one and see how it goes. The book say to do hockey cup size droplets, but I just do like a spoonful. That should be enough. And then you just like fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, I guess. This is how the boat looks. He's a professional boxer from the Virgin Islands, and he came out with a cookbook of island favorites. Like I said, I'm gonna try to find the link for it on Amazon and drop it in the bottom if anybody interested. Oh, we're gonna be here for a long time. Look at all of this butter. All of this that we got.
Nothing can come between us but the waters that divide, yeah. Even though we're just a few square miles, I travel around the world with Virgin Island pride, yeah. A lot of people still going through strife, and still we live a joyful life. That's why the place nice, so nice, so nice. Sweet, sweet St. Thomas nice, so nice.
I think it done. It looked done on the inside and on the outside. It has like 2 to 3 minutes anyway, so. This is how the first one come out, you know. This is how it's supposed to. I ain't show you the picture again, but I think I do good. It smell like banana. It look like the picture, you know. Look picture here. So, think I did good.
Virgin Island teachers never raise no fool. Mama
Alright, while the rest of them finish making, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish this off. You in it, like topping it with some powdered sugar. I don't even know if I sprinkling this on the right way or okay. I probably want too much. There you have it, banana fritters. They taste good. Alicia, you want to taste one?
Sure.
Me and she like it, but I like them. It tastes good.
You said what?
And then the powdered sugar, we give it a nice little extra sweetness to it.
You like a shower water. You broke the juice off of that one?
Yeah, you could. Yeah, you could. Try on if you want another one.
I feel like a pancake.
She ain't like it. She ain't with this island shit. She said nah.
That's interesting.
It's kind of like, it's like banana pancakes in a bowl.
I'm not a pancake person.
Eat
You put them in the waffles.
pancakes. It more, I don't want to say wetty, but it more wetty than a pancake. But
It
not
tastes
like
almost like a funnel cake. It's not as sweet.
check them out later. Thanks for participating in Cooking with Shelly. Me know why in college yet. Drop some comments and drop some name suggestions in the comments. I think that's it. Check on them later. Bye.